I do feel for the Sagittarians at the moment, when I say I feel, this is based on intuition, of course. There are some changes that need to be made in your life. And you need to start honoring these changes right now. These are not changes that you will have an opportunity or get another chance to take care of somewhere down the track. And my feeling is you already know what these changes are. And you're avoiding, perhaps maybe making the decision, maybe you're avoiding the actions that come with the changes. And part of it is because you've got ideas around the changes you want to make and how hard it's going to be, or negative, or it didn't work in the past, why would it work now? That's kind of the energy that's going on in the inner dialogue of the Sagittarians. So let's shift that. Let's look at these changes from a different space. Looking at them from a different space doesn't necessarily mean, however, that they won't be challenging. Any change we make, there's going to be challenges that we have to face, because we're facing the parts of ourselves that think we can't make that change. And that's really difficult. We're facing parts of ourselves that are convinced that either we're not worthy, we don't deserve it. Parts of let me put it this way, parts of you that are convinced that it's not worthy of the changes that you need to make in your life right now. There's a part of you that is convinced that it's not enough and it'll never be enough. Therefore, there's no point in making these changes. And that stuff has sunk in quite deep. So by making these changes, we get to show those parts of ourselves that we're okay, that we are enough, that it is possible, and also that all the parts of ourselves, I know this sounds a bit complicated, but all the parts of ourselves, we're showing those parts that I can lead you, that I can do this. Because you need all those parts of you to trust you to lead the way. So essentially for the Sagittarians, it's really taking the time. First, write down what these changes are that you would love to honor and implement in your life. Just start there. And then tomorrow when you wake up, write the changes down again. I feel like I want to say for the next 6 or 7 days, every day, write down the changes that you want to implement in your life. Just start there.